Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the O-rings from the steam boiler and the brew boiler, as they were leaking out when this machine was reaching around 150 degrees, which is usually where the machine starts to build up pressure here in the steam boiler. And if these O-rings are worn out, it will start leaking steam through here. Now if you catch it early, you will prevent a lot of damage from the machine, but if you do not catch it early, then this steam leak will just completely destroy all the electronic components in here. It will start rusting parts. It will really do a lot of damage in here, especially for this machine, since it has a lot of electrical connections all over the entire machine. A lot of cables through here, many open wire connections. It's just a lot of electrical connections, and you don't really want any kind of moisture or any liquid or anything escaping from the steam boiler, as it will start doing erratic behavior. It will make the machine go to erratic behavior. It will just start buzzing by itself. It will just start clicking. It will do crazy stuff when the machine is off, as this machine, whenever you connect it to the electricity, all that electricity goes around the entire unit. This is not really a power button, this is a standby button. So whenever you plug it in, power is already going all through the entire system, and if there's any kind of water or anything, it will just automatically trip the breaker. So we replace that and seal the boilers, make sure that there were no any leaks or anything like that. And once we had the machine at 200 degrees, we fire up and try to use the group head, and we find out that the son above this one over here was actually buzzing out and making noise, and it was not opening and letting water go through the group head. So we had to replace that as well. And now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. So hopefully these settings are correct, and we'll be able to do a nice cup of coffee with our coffee. And I am borrowing the tamper of the machine from another machine, as this one came with one. So I'm borrowing that from another machine. I'll show the part once I finish grinding. There you go, it's going out the temp. There you go, there it is. The part that I'm borrowing is this one. Let me just remove it from here, as this is attached by a magnet. It's kind of hard to remove it, but let me just spin it out. Yeah, this is the part that I'm borrowing from another machine. This machine did not come with one, so I'll put the top piece back into it, and let's do this shot of espresso. We're gonna do a double, and now this machine takes approximately 6 seconds of prefusion, depending how the user customize it. It can take up to 6 to 8, and once it does the pre-infusion phase, it will automatically shoot the water through the group head. This valve will open on the way, and it will extract the coffee just the way you're seeing right now. Now we could go a little bit finer, maybe go to around the 24 setting on the grinder instead of the 27. That will make this flow more stable, and this will give much more richer crema as well. But as you can see, we have a nice quantity, 2 ounces, which is perfect for a double shot, and a good crema layer on the top of the machine. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, is working perfectly fine. Steady stream coming out of the machine, nice and hot, working great. The rough at the beginning, but it's no big deal. It's a nice steady stream, and it's nice and hot. Pressure of this machine, as you can see as well, is working perfectly fine. Takes a little bit for the machine to pick up the steam fully, but as you can see right now, it's fully working. Nice pressure, excellent temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.